Hiya pals, it's that Jess here, and today I have got an unboxing for you all, which is very exciting because I love those videos, but I'm rubbish at keeping things to show for first impressions and unboxings for videos, so this time I made sure to do that. And as you can see, it's an Ami order, which is from Japan. This is my first time ever ordering anything from Japan, so I am very excited to open it. And this is what I ordered. I actually pre-ordered this like moons ago. This is the Rement dreaming case number 2. I've got one of the originals, which I have right here. This is the Eevee from the original one, which I bought not that long ago, and the originals came out quite a while ago. So I have got the full collection of the series number 2, which includes all of these. So you've got Espeon, Eevee, Umbreon, Leafeon, then you've got Sylveon and Glaceon, and I couldn't not get this, so I'm going to open it up and let's look at the whole set. So we have all 6, which is always very promising, so I'm just going to start at the front and then we can work our way through them. I think the one I'm most looking forward to is of course Sylveon. She is my fave, but all of them are just stunning. And this one looks like it's going to be Eevee, so I'm just going to open it up. So here's the little Eevee figure that you get with this one. She's holding a star and she is adorable. I can't wait to put her next to my other Eevee because they're both just so sweet. As you can see, this one's a rose gold one for the little case, which is really adorable and it's different as well. And you can see the little Eevee embellishment there. So we're just going to assemble her now. And there is one done. On to the next one. And it's Sylveon! This one's got a pale blue cushion, which is really sweet and matches Sylveon very well. And here is the little Sylveon sleeping figure. Just give her a little bit of a twirl. She's adorable. She's on like a little heart cushion. Yep, I love her. And there's Sylveon, and it's box number 3. This one appears to be Espeon. And here's the Espeon sleeping figure. Look at her, or him. That is a gorgeous figure on the star cushion. And there is Espeon all done. Number 4. This is the little checklist you get with every Rement as well. So you've got all 6 in the collection of Dreaming Case 2. And then within each box as well you get a little sweet of some salt. And here we have the Glaceon sleeping figure, which is just as stunning as all the others. So you just got a little sleeping Glaceon on a little snowflake cushion. I love the colours, they are so sweet. And here is the finished Glaceon one. So on to number 5, so we're nearly at the end. So here is the little sleeping Umbreon figure. Now, Umbreon's not one of my favourites, but oh my god, the design of this is stunning. Look at it. Little winking expression on a moon cushion. See there? That's stunning. And there is the finished Umbreon Rement. And we're on to the final one, which is insane. And here is a little sleeping Leafeon figure, which is on a little flower cushion. And that's the final Dreaming Case 2 Rement done. So that is all of the Dreaming Case 2 Rements unboxed and built up. These are my only Rements I own, these and the Eevee that I showed you at the start of the video from the first series. Let me know if you enjoy these unboxing videos on my channel, if you want me to do more. I'm sure I can find more to unbox for you, especially stuff from Japan, because this is my first thing and I'm sure I will order more now that I've done it already. Let me know which one of these Rements is your favourite. I really love Sylveon, of course, because she is my favourite Pokemon of all time, and I really like the Leafeon actually. I think they're all really sweet and I can't wait to display them. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye!